In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font or text color for email in Outlook. By the end, your emails will start with your preferred look every time, without needing to adjust anything manually. Open Outlook in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, look to the upper right corner and open the Settings menu. It's the gear icon. This is where all your mail appearance and composition preferences live. If you don't see options right away, give the panel a second to load. Inside Settings, make sure you're working within the Mail section. This keeps you focused on email-related preferences instead of calendar or general account items. From there, go to Compose and Reply. This area controls how your new emails, replies, and forwards are formatted by default. Within Compose and Reply, find the section labeled Message Format. This is the heart of today's change. Here you'll see options to set your default, font, size, style, and the color used for your message text. Outlook applies these defaults to new messages and replies, so you get a consistent look without extra clicks. Choose your font first. For the smoothest experience across devices, consider widely supported fonts like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman. If you want personality, pick something that still reads cleanly at smaller sizes. For business or academic emails, simpler is usually better. You can also adjust the size to something that's easy on the eyes. Many people find 11 or 12 point ideal for readability. Next, set your default text color. A standard black or dark gray offers the best contrast and looks professional. If you prefer a brand color or a softer tone, choose a shade that remains readable on both light and dark modes and against white backgrounds. High contrast is key for accessibility, especially for recipients reading on phones or in bright environments. Take a moment to preview your choices in the sample area if it's visible. Think about how your messages will appear to recipients using different devices and email apps. Avoid very light colors, neon shades, or overly decorative fonts. They can be hard to read and may not display consistently everywhere. When you're satisfied, save your changes. This step locks in your default font and color, so every new message you write starts with your selected style. From here on, you won't need to adjust formatting each time, though you can still override it on individual emails when needed. That's it. You've set your default font and text color in Outlook, ensuring your emails look polished and consistent every time.